Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Amazon Fire TV 43-inch Omni series. So here's everything that comes in the box. We're going to mount the feet. It comes with an IR receiver, 2 AAA batteries, the screws. We have a remote control and the power cord, and I'm going to show you everything on the TV. So first thing you're going to do, if you want to install the feet, hang it over the edge of a table. Now one side is big and one side is small, and you're going to put the 2 Phillips screwdrivers. The feet can go on either side. You'll end up with the same angled out. Okay, so the feet are installed. Next, we're going to install the AC plug. It will only go one way. No, it'll go either way, it looks like. So make sure you push it in all the way. And that's a 5-foot long cord. Next, we got all of the HDMI cables. Ethernet cord, HDMI 1, 2, and 3. Number 4 is the ARC and the EARC, audio return channel. We can put a cable and TV antenna right there. We got USB 2.0, 5 volts, 0.5 amps or 500 milliamps, infrared emitter, headphone jack, and optical. This is where you would plug this infrared emitter into if your infrared sensor needs to be mounted somewhere so that your remote can see it better. But the one on the bottom of the TV usually works for me. On the bottom, we do have speakers coming out the bottom, and there is a power button here. Now, there's also a microphone switch, and I'll show you the red light that it's going to show. So you can mute this because you can speak to this TV. You don't have to use the remote. You can just say Alexa, and it will do whatever you want it to do for the TV. Now, it does come with the screws. If you want to mount it to the wall, those are approximately 12 inches. 12 inches, and it does come with the Phillips screws to mount it to a wall bracket. And that looks like it's about 2 inches from the bottom. That's about 8 or 9 inches from the top, and about 13 inches to the left of it. Okay, so I've got the TV on its legs. This is where it talks about the microphone switch. You know, it's right there. We can move it back and forth, and there'll be a red light to let you know if the microphone's on or off. Now, they really want you to be careful. There is a piece of plastic that's covering this entire TV, but you really should pull that off slowly, not to damage anything. And okay, I plugged the TV in. There is a white light right there. Let's put the batteries in. We're going to slide this out, and you're going to stack the AAA batteries on top of each other with the positive going up. Then take this and slide it in until it clicks. We're going to hit the top left button, which is the power button. And we may have to hit it again. I do see a light right here. Okay, the remote's not wanting to work. Let's hit the power button right there. See if we can get anything. Okay, so it turned on. Maybe the remote will start working. I did take the batteries out, put them back in, but I don't see a pair button or anything on it. Okay, so it comes to this. Oh, I can't. My remote's working now. Now hit the center circle button to hit enter. Hit continue. Okay, so find your Wi-Fi and then give it your Wi-Fi password. And now it's connecting. And now it's downloading the latest software. This could take 5 to 10 minutes. And this Omni series TV is listening to you for the wake word, whatever wake word you got, whether it's Alexa or something. But again, if you don't want that, you can turn that off. And there's a little red light here. Now, if it hears the wake word, it won't activate the Alexa device inside the TV. And it's going to restart the TV on its own after the update. And again, the remote didn't turn the TV on. I had to turn it on down there, and then the remote started working. Now it's doing an update. Yep, I forgot these dimensions. Left to right. For a stand, you need 32 inches. Front to back, you need 10 inches for it to stand on. And with it all the way up, with it sitting on a table with its stand, it's right at 24 inches. And left to right, you're at 38. And diagonal, it is 43 inches diagonal. Okay, that took about 15 minutes. It's restarted the TV. Now it's booting back up again. It's checking for updates. It's going to update again. Okay, it's installing this update. This update we're on about 20 minutes, so you just got to be really patient. You can't unplug it. Don't mess with the remote. 25 minutes so far. Okay, after about 30 minutes, looks like it's starting back up again. And looks like it's got a third update. Okay, so it did a fourth update, and now it's finishing up. Okay, so it come up with a QR code. That took about 30 minutes for the updates. Scan the QR code with your phone, and that'll help you log into your Fire TV for the first time. And now you're just going to go through, select. Okay, so there was a couple commercials asking you to sign up for a couple subscriptions. I said no. I'm going to put no to parental controls. Here's kind of a welcome page, how to navigate, what the different buttons mean. I don't have any TV channels. I didn't put anything on in that cable jack, so I'm going to put no. Okay, we're finally to the home page. This is the home page. Your cursor starts up there. Move it down. Now you're in this carousel here. You can go over. These are the different apps I can go right to those with these keys right here, but I can add different ones. Scroll all the way right where it says add. These are all the different, so say you've got something you want to add. Let's add Amazon Live Shopping. Press the 3 lines button to move. So the 3 lines button is right there on the right. And now it's going to move it up to that carousel to where you'll see it. Oh, I got to click move. Yeah, then I move it up into that carousel. Then hit the enter button. Now it's up there. Now when I go home, there's my home. Now it's right there. That's just some quick access. We can find things, my stuff, inputs. These are all the different inputs: HDMI 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the antenna. And so a real nice feature, since I don't have this red light on, is I can talk to this. I can say the wake word. I can change that wake word, but I've got mine set at Alexa. Alexa, find some comedy movies. Alexa, find some comedy movies. There's a list of movies. Alexa, turn the TV volume up. And there, it did turn the TV up. And there you can see. Alexa, turn the TV off. Alexa, turn the TV on. This is the one I like. Say you lose your remote. Alexa, find my remote.
Sorry. To find your remote, make sure you have an Alexa voice.
I guess the find remote doesn't work. Now I can also say, if you don't want that on, I can also speak into this, hold this down. Find some Western movies. So I held this button and I spoke into the remote. There's some Western movies. Okay, so here is a video that I took in 4K. The sound sounds really good. The video quality is very nice. The colors are a true representation. Yeah, that looks really nice. Okay, now I've got another video on with a lot of bright lights. And it still looks pretty good. I turned the video lights off, and now it's just overhead lights on. So I'm really happy with this TV. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.